I'm here in Hall 12 at the NEC Motorhome and Caravan Show, and I'm in an awning. Now, drive-away awnings are something that become very, very popular. You attach them to the side of your campervan or motorhome and leave them standing and drive away, or take them down and take them with you. So I'm here with the guys from Glawning. Hello.
Hi there.
How are you both, all right?
Hi, yeah, good, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Glawning and what's so special about it, because it is beautiful.
Yes, okay, so Glawning is a glamorous awning. So my wife came up with the name, she's very proud of that. It's essentially a bell tent that's been adapted so it can be used on a van as an awning, so you can drive away, but you can still have all the kind of comforts of a bell tent. So you can have a wood-burning stove in there, and it's nice, breathable cotton fabric.
And can you use it as a bell tent standalone on its own?
You can, yes. So this bit zips off altogether, and you can just use it as a standalone bell tent.
And what kind of motorhome or campervan will this attach to?
Well, we do two sizes. So this one is the standard size, which will fit onto a kind of T5, T6 Volkswagen type vehicle. And then we do a high top that will fit on crafters, sprinters and motorhomes as well.
Brilliant. So it will go above the habitation door on a coach-built motorhome.
It will, yes.
Yeah.
And it will go on caravan
So
as well.
could we go inside and have a look?
We can, yeah.
So we're going to climb inside the bell tent. It's really tall in here. How tall is it?
Oh, how tall?
This one's two and a half metres for the 4 metre.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do a 5 metre version as well, which is 3 metres high on the centre pole and has an extra metre on the diameter. So.
And what's the diameter of the one we're in?
4 metre.
Okay, fine, brilliant. And the wood-burning stove is lovely. Is that a multi-fuel stove? Or?
It is, yeah. Well, it's mainly just wood, but you can cook on it as well. So you can put your pans on the top here,
and that pops
move them
off
off the
as
heat,
well, so
and
you
the
can
top pops off, yeah. So you can
have access to the flame, so
yeah.
you can cook a whole meal.
And it keeps the thing warm as well.
Yeah. Really nice and toasty. We ended up taking our jumpers off, and just in the t-shirts. Yeah, nice and toasty.
Well, we'll pop over if it gets cold.
Yeah.
So who are your type of, the ideal customer for you? Who are you looking to speak to while you're here at the show?
We tend to sell to a lot of families.
Yeah.
Generally, I mean, a lot of people who don't love camping as such. They like the idea of camping, but they don't like the discomfort of being cold and wet.
Yeah.
Those are the kind of people that this really appeals to, because you can be warm and cosy and dry,
Yeah,
but
this is
still
like
have
the
the
only
outdoor.
level of camping I do now.
Is
Has
it?
to be like glamping. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Camp bling.
Yeah, definitely.
And what do they cost?
Well, they cost from around £700 just for the base unit. Most people go for the whole shebang with, you get different coloured matting and the stove and everything. So for this here that we see today would be just under £1,200 for everything, with the
Very
stove
good.
and mat and everything. Yeah.
And available for immediate delivery?
Yes, we do
Yeah.
next day delivery. So anyone who orders at the show will get it in a couple of days.
Fantastic. And where can people find you after the show? Online?
Glawning.com is the best place to find us, and then we're on all the socials and Instagram
Facebook,
stuff.
just
Yeah.
under Glawning.
Fantastic. Thanks for letting us come in and have a look. I love
Thanks
it.
for coming.